Booba, where are you? Oh, I want to see what's in the box. I'll just take a quick peep.
Here comes Booba.
What? Oh, another box. It wasn't me. Well, yes. I wanted to see what's in the box. But there's a smaller box in the big one. So what's in it? Give me a clue.
Yes. Can we have a clue?
Huh?
Is it something that runs around in a circle?
Whoa! Is it a spinning toy? All right, then give me another clue, Booba. Oh, I know, it's a ball. Shoot, are you bouncing a ball?
Oh,
No?
it isn't a ball.
All right, then I need one more clue, please. Ah, you're playing the guitar, right? Am I right? No?
I wonder what it is.
Ah, you get it! I get it! At first, I thought it was a spinning toy because you were spinning around. And then, I guess it might be a ball because you were playing with it. And at the end, I thought it's a guitar, but you don't play it. So, it's a yo-yo! Yay, I'm right! Let's see!
Is it a yo-yo?
It's a yo-yo! I want to play with it.
It is a yo-yo.
It goes down and back up. Down, up, down, up. Whoa! Oh, have a try. You're so funny, Booba. Whoa. Cool.
Well done for guessing what's in the box. Let's celebrate with a dance. See you next time, friends.